protect and restore the beauty of your outdoor timber furniture, it's important to apply protective coating using Feast Watson's Outdoor Furniture Oil. This specially formulated oil is designed to nourish and rejuvenate timber, providing a protective barrier for all that nature has to throw at it. Here's what you'll need to refresh your outdoor timber furniture: Feast Watson Outdoor Furniture Oil, Feast Watson Woodclean, a stirrer, a paintbrush, a stiff bristle brush, a bucket, a garden hose, and your safety gear. Brush any dirt and debris from the surface and use a garden hose to thoroughly soak the wooden surface. Prepare your timber using Feast Watson's Woodclean. Its powerful oxalic acid-based formula helps remove oil, mould, stains and tannins from new and weathered timber to create a clean slate for your furniture. Dilute in water by mixing 1 part Woodclean to 4 parts water. Ensure to stir the mixture thoroughly. Then, using a stiff bristle brush, scrub the surface vigorously. Allow the Woodclean solution to penetrate the surface for 20 minutes before rinsing away with high-pressure water. Allow the bench to dry completely before applying Feast Watson's Outdoor Furniture Oil. Ensure you thoroughly stir before and during application to ensure a uniform colour. We're using Outdoor Furniture Oil in clear, but if your furniture is to remain in direct sunlight, it's recommended to use pigmented hardwood, jarrah, teak or weathered grey colour for a higher level of UV protection. Using a brush, apply your first coat. Work in sections in the direction of the grain. Ensure your edges and end grain are fully coated. Allow the oil to penetrate for about 20 minutes. Then remove any excess oil with a clean brush or cloth and leave to dry for 12 hours before applying the second coat. And there you have it, 2 products and a few simple steps to get your outdoor timber furniture refreshed and ready for entertaining.